What's good? It's your boy, Be That Boy. Welcome back to another video. You see from the title, I ain't gonna waste no time. I'm gonna teach you how to get some curls. Cause you can tell from my hair. I mean, hey. Well, I could do so many designs with this. I could put it like this way, get a little man bun. Or I could do it like this way, like I'm Mufasa or Simba. Like, I might do that actually. Who knows? I could do a lot with my hair though. But I ain't gonna waste your time. I'm gonna teach you how I do my process when it comes to washing my hair, conditioning my hair, the whole nine. So it might be different for you, but I can give you some tips. So, like this video, and we finna go ahead and get started. So what I normally do is, I don't wash my hair. I'm not like these other YouTubers and I'm just gonna wash my hair. No, I just got home, just got done working out. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna take my normal shower, and then I'm gonna wash my hair while I'm doing it. I'm gonna show you what I use. I started using this stuff. I'm exfoliating my hair now. So we're gonna see how it is. I mean, look at the hang time. Ooh, look at the hang time. You feel it? Ooh, my neck stiff. Let me not show my neck though, because you know, this is only for somebody and somebody only. Hey, matter of fact, put in the comments if I should go bald. If you know, you know. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and get ready for the shower, so I'm gonna let you know what I use. Editor, next clip. All right, hey, you got that transition? No, okay. It's okay. But I know who else. I know who like that though. Thank you. What? Sorry for the ashiness on the bottles, but this is what I use. So that is my exfoliating shampoo that I got. And then what I got for my hair mask, or I call this conditioner in my head, it's that dripping, you feel me? But that's what I'm gonna use for my hair. Like I said, you're gonna see the before and after. So this is before, you know, you see the curls already though. You see them, you know. I wanted my girlfriend to take them out, but you know, she's not here. But it's okay, because I got some. Baby girl, if you're watching this, I got some for you. I got some for you. Yeah. So we're gonna do a transition once again. But next time you see me, I should be wearing the shirt again, and my hair should be drenched. So what transition should we do? We should do one like, and we're back. The transition probably was crappy. So, but as you can tell, this is the finishing product. So what you saw earlier was, you know, taking my braids out. This is when I washed it, exfoliated it, whatever you want to call it. This is what it is. So, you still it's like a little bouncy. That's why I wanted my hair to be, when I was doing it in the beginning, when I was starting to grow my hair, I wanted to be like bouncy to the point where I could just, you know what I'm saying? I like it when my hair is bouncy. But because I have family that has thick hair, and then I have family that has their hair grow really, really fast. And it made me and my sister. So, but I mean, I don't blow dry it or anything. I let it air dry. And normally I'll put stuff like conditioner in it, but really don't need anything. Honestly, I might put some spray on it. If not, put some like Eco gel in there. But other than that, that's the hair tutorial. I mean, if you got any questions or you want me to go into further detail in the comments, let me know. Hope you like this video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment what you want to see your boy next, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Till next time, I'm Be That Boy, and I'll see y'all in the next video, hopefully.